To our YouTube channel, I'm Amla. This time we are going to show you the part 2 of how to make a simple mosquito killer, and please watch the previous part to understand the procedure very nicely, because if you watch only second part you are likely to get confused. So now what we are going to do, just join the top. We had left with this on in the first part. In the first part we were to join the top, but unfortunately an error occurred, and now in the second part we are going to show you from joining the top. In the first part we didn't join the top. We were to join the top. Now we are going to join the top this time. So we have joined the top also. See what it looks like now. This is one wire and this is another wire. These are a little too short. These wires are a little too short, so we are going to join new large wires to them. So we are joining another wire to this. From the both ends. From both of the ends. So these are joined. So our mosquito killer is ready. See, it's ready now. So let us check it out, how this works. This is an adapter, I think 19 volts. So let us check it out by using a multimeter. This is its pin. One end inside, another end outside the pin. See, 18.9697 volts means 19 volts. So now this is the pin of the adapter. Now let us join these wires to the pin and then insert the fast card into this box. One inside the pin, another outside. Now we have almost joined the pin also with these wires. So let us put in the fast card. This is the fast card. Let us now put it in. Now we are going to put this inside. First card. See this smoke. Once this catches fire, then we have to unplug it. Oh yes, we are feeling the smell of this. We are smelling this. Vodka. See from here. See. Thank you. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe, and if you and please watch the previous part, and if your friends are interested in these, please share this video with your friends, and please share, like, and subscribe this video. Thank you. Goodbye. All the best.